Welcome.
Cool.
I thought I would lick your anus.
Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? I'm Omega, you are.
Butter.
Talk to me, how are you?
Mantequilla.
How are you? How's everything?
Happy. I'm learning Japanese this year.
Japanese?
Yeah.
You say, hello, my name is
Ohio.
Butter.
Ohio butter.
You're lying.
I'm missing,
You're lying.
I'm missing just half of it. Ohio.
What is Ohio? Hi?
Good morning.
I didn't ask for good morning.
But that's hi.
Oh my god.
I'll
Good
go
morning is not
everywhere.
hi.
No, I'll go everywhere saying Ohio.
Wait, okay, so you learned good morning.
Well, Ohio, I only learned it from watching it. I'm on my Duolingo learning more.
Okay, so you got 2 languages in your belt already.
Yes.
English and Spanish. Japanese is number 3.
Yes.
All right, so we're gonna learn Japanese in 2023.
Yes.
Are you going to Japan?
Yes.
Trip to Japan this year?
Not this year, next year.
Next year, 2024, trip to
Yes.
Japan.
Ohio.
This year?
Onitsha.
I don't know what that means.
Onitsha is like older brother, but also lover. I read that too.
So it's older brother? That sounds like some Alabama shit.
Yeah.
That's
when you're watching anime and they're like, Onitsha.
Today,
Ding-ding-ding-ding.
we are watching one of the most popular animes out right now. I think they're on episode probably like 14 or 15 right now. I don't know how long the season is or whatever, but if you're caught up and you know what today's date is and you understand anime, then you know what we're about to watch, and that is
Well, we know.
No,
I don't know. I don't want to. I just read that he becomes a dog later on, but I don't want to know anything else. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if that's a fact. If that happened, I don't know. And also that is better than Jujutsu Kaisen, so
that's high praise. That's high praise because Jujutsu Kaisen is really good.
it's good.
So I had previously watched the trailer, but this was months ago, right before it even dropped. So I don't even remember the trailer. I remember seeing a man with a chainsaw for a head, I think, and that's all I really remember from it. So I'm excited to get into it. Butter, are you excited to get into it?
Yes, finally. Been waiting for this moment.
You've been waiting for how long?
Months.
Months. All right. So we're happy to get started. Chainsaw Man episode 1. We'll see you guys on the other side.
That's how it starts.
I think so. I clicked on episode 1. If it's
It
not,
looks like the Resident Evil from PS1.
no, it doesn't.
Yeah,
Maybe PS3.
when you were like starting the game.
No.
Okay, good, good. Boom.
I don't wanna wake up. Damn, his apartment's messy. 60,000 a month cutting trees.
He's
Oh, this has got to be Zen.
右目が30万
Oh my god.
金玉片方売っていくらで売れたっけ
Oh, he sold it
10万
already.
もしなかったんだっけ
And he's like half.
残りの借金が3804万円
Jesus, that's a lot of money.
ポチタ分かってるってさっさと殺しちまうか悪魔を一体殺せばだいたい30万
Killing one dead.
やっぱデビルハンターが一番儲かるな
Devil Hunter. This looks like that first one from Jujutsu Kaisen.
こいつはトマトの悪魔ですね
Tomato devil.
種から復活するんで焼いといてください
よくやったデイジー。闇市でこいつの死体を売りゃ相当いいねんな。報酬は40万だ。そこから借金と利子で17万。さらに仲介手数料と事務手数料。
Oh my god.
管理調整費。その他もろもろを抜いて。
残りが7万
least you got
この
paid,
7
bro.
万から水道代を払って他のとこにしてる借金を払うと
俺たちにしている借金を返させてんだよ。正確にはあいつの死んだクソ親父のだがな。
Oh, so he inherited the debt.
おい、犬このタバコ食ったら100円やるよ。
マジっすか。いた
Oh
だき
my
ます。
god.
あ
また悪魔が出たら呼ぶ。逃げたら豚。
He gets so excited when.
It's over a little bit of money.
Yeah.
これで3日は食えるな。この間聞いたんだけどさ、普通食パンにはジャム塗って食うらしいぜ。
Hey, yo.
まあ俺たちは普通なんて夢の話だけどな。死ぬまで借金返し終わる気しねえし。
How did his dad get so much debt, though?
Yeah. That's very unfortunate for him.
俺は死ぬまで女と付き合えねえんだろうな。
Butter will date you.
こんな
I will. He'll tell me all that story and I'll be like, oh my god.
夢叶うなら女抱いてから死にてえな。
Oh my god.
I got you.
That's crazy that that's your biggest dream.
Yeah.
Like, I just want to hit something real quick. Gotta have bigger dreams than that.
払わねえうちに首つりやがって。ガキ、戻りすなり体をふなりして明日まで70万用意しろ。
Oh my god.
じゃなきゃお前の死体をばらしてくれる。
He's hurt already.
お前も死ぬのか。
That's how you become besties.
悪魔は血飲めば傷治るって聞いたことがある。死にたくないなら噛め。
That little face.
Yeah, that had to.
俺の血はただじゃねえ。これは契約だ。お前を助けてやるから。俺を助けろ。
That was a very smart decision right there.
Facts.
I wouldn't have thought
Yeah.
any of that.
Was that one kill worth 700,000? I wonder.
俺をデビルハンターで雇ってくれませんか。
こんなとこに悪魔出たんすか？見当たらないっすけど、どっか隠れたんすかね？
Is there really a devil?
もしかしてもう帰って
They're
Or
not
the
gonna
trap.
try to kill him.
Yeah, I think it's a trap. Very ominous.
デンジよ、俺たちはてめえに感謝してんだぜ。
は
犬みてえに従順だし、犬みてえに安い報酬で働いてくれる。
い。は
でも俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ。
No! ¡Qué perro tan hijo de puta!
Oh, the dog too!
俺たちヤクザもよ、もっと強くなって稼ぎてえからよ。てめえみてえに悪魔と契約することにしたんだ。俺たちが望むのは悪魔の力だ。
僕が望むのはデビルハンター。デビルハンター君、マジこいつらバカだよ。めっちゃバカ。悪魔の力あげるっつったらさ、自分たちから僕の奴隷になってやがるのな。その力でゾンビになっちゃうんだよね。
Jesus Christ, now they're all zombies.
ゾンビの悪魔だから。デビルハンターは僕ら悪魔を殺すから嫌い。だから殺しちゃうんだ。みんな、そいつバラバラにしてゴミ箱にでも捨てちゃって。
Oh my god.
That's a fatal wound. Like, How is he even getting away right now? Oh man. Come on, Denji, run, bro. You are losing a lot of blood, bro. Oh, that was deep. Sign another contract, bro. Sign another contract. Oh god.
That's it. That's the first episode.
That cannot. I will die. I would die right now.
Man, the hell? What? Why?
Is he in the trash? He's in the trash. Is he dead?
He can be.
Hold on. Is the dog dead too?
Oh.
All the dog's gonna heal.
Mm. 普通の暮らしをして、普通の死に方をしてほしい。俺の夢を叶えてくれよ。
Take over his body, Pochta. Oh, you can put him back together? I need that power.
Oh, his fusion. Man, the hell? The first episode and he was
Wake
already
up.
caught.
ポチタ。俺の体、ちゃんと奪えたか。
私はデンジの夢の話を聞くのが好きだった。
Did he just learn to talk?
これは契約だ。私の心臓をやる。代わりにデンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。
ポチタ。
Yeah.
傷が。ポチタ。
どういうこと？バラバラ
You okay there?
なんで君も？やっぱ僕デビルハンター嫌い。みんなそいつ食べちゃって。
Let's go! Thank you, Pochta.
Why Pochta today so soon?
He's not dead. He's just inside.
But we're not gonna do it anymore.
俺も同じか。ポチタがいる幸せだけじゃ満足できなくて、もっといい生活を夢に見たんだ。そうか、みんな夢見ちまうんだな。じゃあ悪いことじゃねえ。悪いことじゃねえけど、邪魔すんなら。
さすがに食い殺しは死ぬだろう。
Here's the chainsaw. Come on. Oh, it's on all three. He's way better now. Let's go! Finish him! Oh, he's not even hurt. Get up. Yeah, there we go. Come on. That didn't hurt. What's a weak one? Ooh. Damn. I need that. I need this power. I need this power.
No. Who got him the classic?
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Take him out. Right in the brain. In the brain. Shave his brain off. Oh, this is a great shot right here. I love it.
デビルハンターとして雇われてるからに悪魔はぶっ殺さねえとね
Let's do it. Kill them all. Save the boss for last.
そっかてめえら全員殺せばよ借金はバーだぜ
He's really enjoying that.
君、変わった匂いがするね。人でも悪魔でもない匂い。これ、君がやったの。
だかす
I guess he's tired.
He killed like 200 zombies.
Back to human.
どうだ。
悪魔による乗っ取りの可能性は
ないね。乗っ取りは顔見ればわかるの。私はゾンビの悪魔を殺しに来た。公安のデビルハンターなんだ。
Public safety. So this is like almost like My Hero Academia. They hire to have like this companies.
悪魔として私に殺されるか、人として私に飼われるか。飼うならちゃんと餌をあげるよ。
Yeah, feed me, girl.
He's like, this, I'm dreaming here.
餌って朝飯はどんなの
食パンにバターとジャム塗ってサラダ、コーヒ
That's all he wanted, bread with jam.
ー、デザートかな。
He's
I'll
in
take
love.
it.
He's in love right now.
こうじゃないっすか
They have me crying on the first
Jesus
episode.
Christ. Unbelievable.
Now we know how this is gonna go. I wasn't expecting any of that.
You weren't
I wasn't
expecting to cry?
no, and I wasn't expecting him to be killed.
Yeah,
Right
yeah,
away.
that was shocking. I was like, bro, I thought something was gonna happen. Somebody was gonna pop out and save him. Like maybe that girl comes earlier and saves him from all this stuff.
Yeah.
And then she recruits him to be a devil hunter. But nah, they just killed him.
Right away.
I was like, I thought it was really gonna
You
be like like a fusion thing. Like, oh, he was gonna fuse with him as he was dying. But no, they just let him die. I was like, what
He
the
was
fuck?
chopped up.
Into pieces. And then they put him together like a like knitting.
Like sweet.
Yeah, like sewing. I mean,
Oh my
they sew him
God.
back together. That was crazy. That was crazy. This
No,
was
I was
probably
like, what?
all right. So I'm gonna rate some of my favorite anime first episodes right now.
The first episode.
First episodes only.
I
Right?
don't remember the first episode.
Demon Slayer. First episode.
Oh, when his
Yeah.
family died.
Oh, his whole family died. Obviously, Attack on Titan. When Eren lost his mom. It was hella dramatic.
Oh, that was yeah. What was Hunter?
Hunter was, you were just kind of getting ready like to know the characters. Gon caught the big fish, and you learned a little bit about his dad, and he went to I think that the first episode was the one where they got on the ship, and then they went through the storm. I think that was the first episode. Jujutsu Kaisen.
What was Jujutsu?
His grandpa dying.
That was the first episode?
That was the first episode. Crazy, like not expecting first episodes. This is probably number one.
That's number one.
Like I could not expect him to die at all.
At least we didn't see or we didn't read anything about it.
Right, because that
I didn't know.
I was completely shocked about that.
Oh yeah,
that's crazy.
I was more shocked than you.
Well, definitely. I think this is my number one most surprising first episode. Yeah, not only was it really good, but it had like the shock factor because I him getting stabbed to death like that and dying and being cut into pieces actually was crazy. And now he's finally, hopefully, gonna get his bread and his jam and a nice warm place to sleep.
Of debt.
Right, and he's free of debt. And maybe he's gonna be like a really successful demon hunter. It's gonna be like almost like Demon Slayer, right? Yeah, because now he's gonna be, instead of a demon slayer, he's gonna be demon hunter. You know, hopefully he's gonna have some cool moments.
He's the demon himself. He's like half demon, half human.
Yep. No. He
has Pochita inside him.
That doesn't make. I don't know if that makes him a demon. Like if I have, you know,
he's a good demon.
He's a good demon. So you're saying he's like Nezuko?
Yes.
Okay, so he's Nezuko.
So yeah, we have a good demon too.
Right. Okay. Any other thoughts?
No. I'm happy with what I saw for the first episode.
Okay. Are you excited for the next one?
Yes.
I'm excited too. If you guys are excited to get into the next episode,
they are.
I'm excited too. That was an epic first episode. I'm excited to get into the next one. Obviously, don't forget to support us, like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your grandma, your grandpa. Who else?
I forgot about this.
You haven't done it in a while. Your grandma, your grandpa,
ex-girlfriend, your girlfriend, your baby mama, and your baby girl,
and the baby. Don't forget the baby too. You know, when you're tucking your little baby into bed, you're wrapping him up real tight so he doesn't fall over on his back, right? And then you whisper in his ear, you give him a kiss on the cheek. You whisper in his ear right there, and you say, "Hey, the Omega and Butter show's back, and they're watching Chainsaw Man. You need to get on it. I'm gonna play this every night for your lullaby. We're gonna do Rockabye Baby, and then Chainsaw Man by Omega and Butter, episode 1.
Here we go.
We'll see you guys in the next episode.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah, I can't see. Is that how it works? Is that how you're gonna do it? You're gonna suck on it too?
Like that.